Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to change region, time and date in Redmi 14C device. For this guys, first of all, go to settings and then scroll so that we have an option of additional settings here. Just tap to additional settings and first of all, let me tell you about the region. So just tap to region and then change your region according to you. Right, I am changing it to Belgium and go back. So as you see, the region is now changed to Belgium. Okay guys, if we're talking about the date and time, so just tap on date and time here. And if you want to set the time automatically, so just enable this feature. But if you want to set manually, so just disable this feature and then manual and then set the time manually from this bar. And if you're talking about dates, so yes, we can change the date manually too from this. But I will suggest you guys to set time and date automatically by enable this feature. So you can get the accurate time according to your area or according to your region. We can also set time zone here. And if we're talking about the time format, so yes, we can also set it about 24-hour and 12-hour format. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.